Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Wednesday, September the 23rd, 2015. After the dust cleared today in the December corn contract, we were only able to close up 2.5 cents at 3.83 1/4. We traded to the high exactly of yesterday, creating technically an inside bar. We feel like if we can get a break above that 384 1/2 high that we traded yesterday and today, that we're gonna be in a good spot to go long on December corn. We've got a topside target of 4 to 405 in that contract for the short term. We continue to encourage our farmers to sell that cash grain right off the combine, and let us help you re-own that with some sort of options play. There's quite a few things that we can help you do to add possible cents to the bushel to that crop. Nove beans were up 1 1/4 cents today, selling at 8.63 1/4. Beans were strong in the early part of the trading session today, but then based on some pressure that we felt like came from crude falling, beans followed. They traded as high as 8.69 1/2 today, but settled right there at the bottom of that consolidation band that we've been trading in for quite some time now. If we get a break tomorrow or Friday below this number, we feel like our downside target of 8.41 is a potential target that the November contract wants to test. December wheat got a big bump from some fundamental news today, closing up 11 1/2 cents at 507 1/2. We had 507 that we talked about yesterday in our comments, and that's exactly right at where we closed today. The fundamental news of dryness across the U.S., across Argentina, Australia, Russia, and Ukraine gave wheat that push. We felt like if we can get a few more buyers to come into this market, we have 524 to 528 as our next targets on the top side. July 16 wheat was up 9 3/4 cents today as well, closing at 522 3/4. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post Market Wrap Up. We hope you have a great rest of your Wednesday.